Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can transfer files, videos or pictures between your Samsung phone and a Windows computer. So in this video the method that I'm going to use is the USB cable. Now Samsung provide you a USB cable that is USB-C to USB-C, and if your computer does not have a USB-C port, then you need to use one of these cable instead. So you need to use USB-C to USB-A, and this cable does not come with your device, so you need to get it somehow. Could be from your previous mobile phone, or you can purchase one from the store. And what you want to do is connect your phone to the Windows computer. Okay, once it is connected, tap on the allow button and make sure your phone is unlocked. If it is locked, then you will not be able to access your device. So make sure you unlock it first with your PIN or password. Once it is unlocked, you can see on my computer I have one folder that has some files that I have already placed them there, ready for transfer. And on my desktop I'm going to open up another folder, my computer. So if you have my computer on your desktop here, you can click on my computer. If not, on the keyboard you can press on the Windows key and E, and this will open up File Explorer. Otherwise you can click on the Windows button, right click, and then click on File Explorer from the pop-up menu. Now this is Windows 11, and this will open up your File Explorer. So on File Explorer you can see it will show your Samsung Galaxy S22 right here. So what you want to do is click on your device name, and then you want to click on internal storage. So double click on internal storage, and in here it will show all the folders on your device, and in here you can choose which folders you want to copy or transfer the files, videos or pictures. So in here I'm going to click on documents, for example, and if I want to transfer, say, from files from my computer to the Galaxy S22 device, I can simply select some of the files, or I can select all of the files, and the easiest way is to simply just drag and drop them onto your Galaxy device and then let go. And now you can see it is copying. Otherwise you can use your keyboard shortcut such as copy and paste. So you can see they are fairly fast to transfer. In here I got video files, it's around 500 megabytes. I've got pictures, zip file, documents, Word documents, PDF files. I can transfer basically any files I want onto my device. And here I'm going to delete it. And you can see if I remove them, and if I right click, I can click on copy, and then I can use the mouse, and over here I can click on paste. So that is another way how you can copy and paste them over. Now on my phone you should see files starting to come through, and in here if you tap on my files, or if you swipe up and go into the app screen, in here we're going to open up the Samsung folder and then tap on my files. In my files I'm going to go back to the home screen and tap on documents, and you can see now it has copied all those files over onto my device right here. Okay, so to copy files from your mobile device to the computer, you pretty much do the same thing. So let me delete the files on my computer first, and in here you can see I can say select all of the files. I can simply drag and drop it onto my computer, so onto a folder on my computer, and now it will copy, and the transfer speed is very quick as well, because we are connecting directly to the computer with a USB cable. Now if you do not have a USB cable, there is another method that you could use to transfer files to your computer wirelessly, and you need to download an app called Samsung Flow. So here it is. So if I drag it over, so you want to download this app called Samsung Flow, and it will allow you to transfer files to your computer wirelessly it is a little bit slower, so I prefer to use the USB cable if you can find one. And here, so now you can see we have successfully transfer files between your mobile device and a computer, or from a computer back to your mobile device. Now on your mobile phone, what you want to do is tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And because now that we have finished, we can unplug the cable. And once I unplug the cable, you can see that File Explorer window will close. And in here, what we want to do is open up My Files. In My Files, you can go down and tap on Internal Storage, and then tap on Documents. And in Documents, it will show you all the documents, all the files, or pictures, or videos that you have transferred over to your device. And in here, I have a video I can play. So that's the video that I have downloaded. And that's it, as you can see right there. And that's it. That's how you can transfer files, pictures, or videos between your computer and your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.